We don't come again. This time, now Atiku na he come out now come talk say, Akpabio, the number 3 man for Nigeria, the Senate president, God's will, Akpabio, the same Akpabio where you know, where Senator Natasha accused allegedly of sexual harassment. Atiku don't come tell us now say, now tell. Now this man don't they harass women they go. If they abuse women, if they do like this with women, if they do like this with women, if they do like this, you go carry on for them, carry on, they papa them. Because no, what is happening here? Atiku, they face sue you for waiting they talk. So Atiku say, I know. Tell it. He don't use on the papa women in the air and here. So it means say, even that woman we're talking at that time say, he slap Akpabio because he be one no. He can't slap her. Our Senate don't see all these things. So they pursue Senator Natasha they go. Me not be like say I talk and finish. Make una hear wetin Atiku wan talk. After una don hear wetin Atiku wan talk, we will go put the satanic display of character from the deputy Senate whip or whip chief yesterday just to end the show. We'll put on Tasha again for una, make una see their character for public. Watch these videos.
Got reports that when Brother Akpabio was a governor, he was corrupt.
You know, he was corrupt. Not only he was corrupt, but he was also in the habit of abusing, women. Yeah.
Oh, you got those reports before?
Yeah, I got that report before.
Last elections, 2023, when you decided not to pick the current minister of the FCT, Nyesom Wike, as your running mate, and some people believe that might have cost you the election. Do you regret not choosing Wike as your running mate?
No, not at all. Because, you see, in 2019, when I won the ticket in Port Harcourt, and I came back here and then went straight to Abeokuta to meet my boss, President Obasanjo, and told him, Mr. President, I have got the ticket. So he asked me, he said, okay, from where is your running mate going to come from? I said, of course, it's either southeast or southwest. He said, no, leave southwest. Because I was there for 8 years. Go to southeast. I said, okay, sir. Do you have anybody in mind? He said, yes. The first person he suggested was Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. So I told him Ngozi was not a member of our party. I believe if I forward the name to the party, they will reject. He said, okay. He said, what about Soludo? I said, Soludo too was not a member of our party, so they will not accept. And I said, what about Peter Obi? I said, Peter Obi is a member of the party. He said, okay, take him. I said, okay, sir. So
that was it.
That was it. So I came back here in this very same building, very same room, and I saw a meeting of the party leaders. Then I was cited by Uche Secondus and others, including Wike himself, Tamwal. I remember there were about 7 of them. I said, look, I have been to my boss, and this is what he said. Do you have any objection? You are leaders of the party and also leaders of the governance forum. They said, no, we don't have objection. I said, okay, go and announce. Now, I came under a lot of criticism after that. They said I did not consult with the party enough. So in 2023, I threw the whole thing to the party. I said, okay, set up a committee and recommend 3 people for me to pick as running mate. And they set up a committee, and they came with a recommendation, number 1, number 2, and number 3. So I picked number 1.
Who are the other 2? Number 1, I'm guessing, was Okowa.
Yes, and the other one was Wike. I think number 2, and number 3, I don't...
No.
Yeah.
Udom,
that's right.
So you didn't pick Wike solely because he wasn't number 1?
He wasn't.
But now you formed, and included in that coalition is Nasir El-Rufai and possibly Peter Obi. People are asking how successful that coalition can be going into 2027 if everyone heading the coalition wants to be president. So who do you think is going to head the coalition, and are you going to run for president again?
We had a similar, what will I say, merger in 2014. I mean, excuse me.
Sorry, sir.
And there were about 4 of us, is it 2 or 3? We all ran for president, and one of us emerged, and we all supported the one who emerged, and he won.
So you're going to run again?
I don't know, because there has to be, first of all, a viable platform, and more than any other time in the political history of this country, particularly since the return of democracy, I have not seen Nigeria in dire need of, an experience and credible leadership than this time. Yeah.
Yeah, the new president of Namibia is a woman, and her vice president is also a woman.
Yes, I'm aware.
Yeah, she recently spoke a bit in support of Senator Natasha Akpabio, who's a woman senator in Nigeria, who's currently going possibly a recall process, but she's currently been suspended from the Senate. And a lot of people view her suspension as meaning that the PDP is weak or opposition is weak. Do you believe that the PDP has been weakened?
Yes, definitely. The PDP is weak because we have a compromised leadership in the party, and there is no doubt about that.
Were you surprised that the state of emergency passed so easily in the National Assembly?
I was not surprised because I know the leadership is corrupt. I have no apologies about that. And they could do anything. And the Senate president is known actually to be, to be having those type of character, even when he was a governor. So I got the reports quite a lot.
You got reports that when Akpabio was a governor, he was corrupt.
He was corrupt. Not only he was corrupt, but he was also in the habit of abusing, women. Yeah.
Oh, you got those reports before?
Yeah, I got that report before.
What is that to respect yourself? Will you shut up and take him out? Smell him out. Smell him out. Look like a dog. Look at you. Big fool. Fool at 70. Fool at 70.
I take exception
What do you mean?
a senator.
Why are you talking to me like that?
You are a disgrace to the Senate.
You are an insult to womanhood.
You are
an insult to womanhood. And you are here to tell the world that you have not changed.
You cannot
You are here
violate
to
my
tell the
right.
world that you have not changed.
You
At
are
70, you have not changed.
you are a
I'm
scoundrel.
expecting to take it. I will not
You
take
are
it.
a
I
scoundrel.
will not take it.
To insult
That is why you can never be here. People like you can never be here. People like you can never be here. How can you be? How can you be a fool?
not a hooligan.
You are a hooligan.
You are a hooligan. So you will be
Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman.
the Senate committee chair.
Chairman of the committee. Chairman of the
And you say I should keep my mouth shut. Who are you to say so?
Chairman.
Who are you to say so?
Chairman
Who
of
are
the
you?
Okay, officer.
And you refuse.
Chairman of the committee.
Mr. Chairman, sir. Mr. Chairman, sir.
Chairman.
Mr. Chairman, sir.
Chairman of the committee.
Mr. Chairman,
Chairman of the committee.
Mr. Chairman.
Chairman of the committee.
Mr. Chairman,
Chairman of the committee. Chairman of the committee. Hello. Chairman of the committee. Hello. Chairman of the committee. My distinguished colleagues and the petitioner and those who came to defend the petition. I am Senator Dicket Blanc. I move a motion that we adjourn this meeting.
Una don hear Atiku, no be my man talk am, no be me talk am. Na Atiku, na he talk am. Say dote na tele Akpabio don dey use how the papa women dey go papa dem for here, papa dem for here, papa dem. He say there's so many corruption wey this man do that time. Listen guys, as we see am, na so we dey carry am dey call give una. Our own job na to reinterpret it in a way you will understand it holistically. Na be our job. So what is your own opinion on this? Put it on the comment section. Join us every day, 7 p.m. on Nigerian time, so that we can talk about the things that's affecting us on Nigeria Watch Media. Take care, guys, and I'll see you guys again later. Bye for now.